So I just thought I'd do a really quick summary of my Cube 2017, and I guess I'd ask, uh, why would you buy one? What would you want out of it? For me, it was the simplicity of the Gates um, belt. Not getting dirty, clean, less adjustment hopefully, which it has been, and internal gears, which gives you enough of a spread. So as a commuter, for me, it was okay. It did its job. It did its job. I mean, the thing with bikes, you can have loads of them, but the other thing I would say as well is to choose carefully where you buy from. So remember about after service, customer service. Don't necessarily go for the cheapest bike out there, or even see if there's a local bike shop or a big bike shop chain that's got a good customer service. See if they'll match the price of the cheapest. That's the most important thing, because if ever you get any problems or any adjustments or anything that goes wrong, it's really important in customer service that you have a good backup. So let me know what you think. Subscribe to my videos, and you'll see when new ones come out. Hopefully I'll do a few on servicing. I hope this helps, and look forward to your likes and comments.